Phil, Jill, Mel, Bill, killed, chill, hi.
All you gotta do is circle it up. What to do? I'm watching George Lopez.
And you're not, or are you?
I'm going to sleep now. Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it. Yeah, no, no, don't worry. Be happy. I'm going to take a shower. I just got done taking a shower. I have on pants.
I hate bands. Don't you wish that you lived in Kentucky like me?
I want to go to New York.
My grandma bowls on the Wii.
We all live in a yellow submarine. A yellow submarine. A yellow submarine.
Wheezy. She is playing Guitar Hero. Fascinating. I am the Guitar Hero Terminator. Prepared to be Guitar Hero. We are sitting here waiting for one to begin.
John, you should start strumming like a bass like I did.
Any minute now.
John, you should strum.
Any minute now it will start.
Did you hear me? You should strum like a bass.
Any minute now it will start.
Bass guitar.
It's about to start. Okay, here it starts. It's gonna start soon. Okay. Okay, she is playing one, and it actually started.
I'm playing on hard, so tell me we're gonna fail.
She is playing on hard, going to fail. Fascinating.
I cannot play.
I'm going to stop it pretty soon.
That was actually good.
We have been waiting here for 3 hours, maybe 4, and one is still playing.
You know what?
Notice the tiredness in her hands.
I played like 4 songs in a row. So don't know
Remember, this is that retard in the other video.
I can't do that.
Haha, you will never see.
This is hard.
Well, in the meantime, let's watch the couch. There goes. She failed.